we are working on gender perspective and housing in Rwanda. So to get a background of our project, we felt that this project is very important in Rwanda because looking on where we work, for example, we found out that there is something which is missing in our offices, in our houses, and for example, in our dormitory when we are students. So there is something really missing. So we want to bring some gender inclusivity. When I'm talking about gender inclusivity, I'm talking about, for example, pregnant women. I'm talking about someone who is sick when during the office hour. I'm talking about disabled people. So those people are not really included when we are building our houses. In my group, I have a civil engineer. I have someone who did geography. And I have also someone who did GIS, Geography Informatics System. I have someone who did renewable energy, and myself who did physics. And when we are working, so we think we thought of bringing a solution, looking at the situation that we are and looking also the way the things are being developed. So how can we really improve our housing system? So we sat down and then discussed and then say, okay, we think by doing a survey and doing like really finding out, we know some basics, maybe, but we don't know all the whole story. So by approaching people and then discussing with them, we can get more data and then also think of some solutions. I'm going to do two kind of data collection, qualitative and quantitative. For the quantitative, we are going to have a group discussion, and we have asked the permission to have some few staff in different institutions to talk to. Send some questionnaire to the officers in 20 institutions, and the country is evolving. We are becoming a research-based economy. I think we are going to be more innovative in the situation where our housing also is going to be involved in our whatever we are going to innovate. So I think by reading the report from this project, there are going to be some improvement in the construction of the house. So we are implementing or we are conceiving the document or report, but we don't know if the policymaker, the engineers, the Ministry of Infrastructure is going to endorse what we are giving them. So we need to keep following up the recommendation that we are going to give to them and then see if they can put some of them in practice.